ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna make this video explain you guys how to use ORB, how to use VWAP, AMAS, and how to find your entries and show you how I catch the upside and the downside and all this stuff. But before that, I wanna clear a couple stuff. So this is probably gonna be my last video about this stuff, and everything is laid out on the Divine Geeks. You guys can see it over there and read dealers and their positioning and all this stuff. So I don't have to make videos and explaining this stuff. It's basically the same thing, just repeating same stuff. There is nothing extra on it. And a lot of guys or a lot of people nervous. I mean, these grifters that they are selling discords, they are very nervous, they are very scared, thinking their business gonna get fucked. Okay, because I am giving all this stuff like free, you know. So a lot of them are nervous, scared. You know, this so-called 90% win rate guy, this past 3 days he's been very quiet, and then suddenly today he's like happy, you know. So basically nuked his followers or his members portfolios, and then today he came out from his little hole and then saying, oh, I did something unbelievable. Today was very simple, everything was very easy, and I'm gonna explain here why it was easy. As you guys saw on Divine, on overnight session on in the pre-market, it was showing the upside target it gave us a hit, basically overnight hit. It's good for those who plays futures, because you can play, I mean, overnight, or you can play at the pre-market. So but when it comes to option, there's stuff you need to look at it. I'm gonna explain here. So I took screenshot of these updates, not of all of them, but some of them when I had time. So around 9:30, you can see here 9:30 we got an update. It says here, let me show you here what it was. So here it says basically the fight was between 71.10 and 71.25, right? So these were two levels we need to mark here. I'm gonna mark it right now. 71.25 and 71.10, right here, this one. Okay, so this one. Another thing. Okay, so let's open. I already rewinded this, so I'm gonna move forward. I'm in 5 and 3 minute time frame. Let's open the market. So market open right here. Okay, 9:30, 9:36, like basically here. Okay, 36, and let's move this one a little bit. Okay, you can see here, like I mentioned on the previous video, you guys need to read these things. Okay, if you don't understand what like charm magnet mean, or what gamma pocket mean, or you don't understand these things, just take screenshot of here and then post it on any AI you use ChatGPT, you use Cloud, or whatever you use. Just post and ask what does it mean, like ask him, like give you a simple explanation, and then I'm gonna give you a very easy explanation so you understand what to look at, what to not look at. So here you can see it says hold on, here is a floor. What's this? So it says deep catch magnet building at 70.50. So it says once it dip to 70.50, this is like the maximum dip, and it's gonna catch, you can catch the pump from here. Okay, so 750, let's go to 750. This is our 750. We have a gap, you see this big gap here, we have gap here, and when it open also we have a small gap here, we have a gap. Okay, and we are above VWAP. Another thing here mentions here, let me see, loose 710 cascade opens to this one. So it says if we lose this level, you see, like on the first, let me show you first picture here, you can see it says between 7110 to 25. The battle was between these two levels. Okay, so if we lose this level, this opens for this level, like basically saying if we lose this one, it's gonna dip here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what this says. So we wait for, also we wait for this opening range high to form, right? So we're gonna mark high and low of that levels on 15 minutes. So right now it's only passes 6 minutes, so we still have some time. By 9:54, there was earlier this, I think it was around 9:50 or 9:48, but I was busy, you can see I was on the phone, so I got when I log in into this and I saw this update and I took a screenshot. So let's go to 9:30, I mean 9:45. Let's go here. So this is 9:45. Okay, so we're gonna mark this one as our opening range high and opening range low. Okay, so this is our opening range high, I mean sorry, low, right? This is opening range high, you understand? And if you guys use boxes, we have a strong box here at this level. Let me show you 1 second. So this is the box. Okay, you can see here, this is the box, and let me mark this one here. So here it says, if you zoom in, so it says hold above break 7150 gate, and let me move a little bit for this. Okay, so by 10:08, not 10:08, let's see here. So our main thing is this level need to break. Okay, 25, like 25. Okay, 25 breaks, and then we're gonna, because we have a box here. Okay, this red box. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna once it breaks, then 10 points we target this upside box. Okay, 10 points or 11, 12 points we target upside, and let's see what this box gonna do. Okay, so this is right now 10:45. Okay, yeah, so this one break. Okay, and let's move. Okay, so what time is it right now? It's 10:20. Okay, it's 10:19:20, and by 10:08, like before this one hit, we got a new update. Okay, it says here, let me show you 1 second. Now remember on here it said break, hold above 20 time, break 150 gate, right? Now what it says, now it says break 150, break 7150 with charm pull and pull cluster holds. So basically saying once it breaks 7150, then no, sorry, not here is the entry. It says long on 7145 support or 7150 break with acceptance scale addition into like basically saying once 7145 break then turns into support, then we're gonna go long. So it's exactly at this you can see this is a box as well. So dealers here, this is the box. Okay, so it says 45, so this is the box, right? So they're saying they're saying once this break and then like pump, and then this works as support, not as resistance. Support and then pump, right? So this is what basically this thing's saying. uh, so they are not confident about this one. Okay, this is not like, this is the headache here. This one is headache. So it says break above here, it's gonna pump. If not, it's not gonna pump. And that's how I saw when I saw this. And I was up 150 or something. Then I wait when I saw the rejection from this box, and I sold my call at 100 and I think 100% or 105 or something like that. I don't remember. So yeah. Also here it explains, rejection on this, and like short all this thing. You can pause it and read it. Yeah, here another update here. So let's see here. Yeah, so this was my position, and then I close it. This is my second account. And here by 10:30, okay, uh, break 135. Hold on, let me show you here. So it says here, where was that? So it says break 135 with force, basically same thing. Okay, let's go to 10:30 first. Right now, what time is it? 10:10, 10:15, 10:20. Okay, then it dip, right? By before 10:30 it dip. Okay, let's go to 10:30. Okay, so here when we get this update, no, it's not, it's 10:35. Sorry, it's not 10:30. Yes. Okay, so it says 35. Where is 35? Let's mark 35 here. So basically same thing. Okay, right, a little bit here. 35. I put 35 here. So it says right here, break 7135 overhead with force, and then 45. Basically same thing. Okay, when these levels break, you can see this one, this one, this one. These were like just headache here, here. These are like boxes. We need to clear this, so we do. Once these levels clears, then there is no any headache. It's hard to pump air all the way up there. Okay, so I was like, okay, we need to wait for these levels to break. Another, yeah. So yeah, when the rejection happens here, and then this level, this opening range, how you guys know, like I explained this like 1,000 times on the Discord before. I am very like, I play ORB, opening range high and low. So we are inside the ORB, right? So and then this opening range high is holding the SPX. It's not pumping. It's like pumps and then rejects, keeping stays inside. Okay, so basically puts her in control. Then I got I opened a short position, and I had this in my mind as well. You see this one and this one. So my goal was to like just short from here all the way to like this gap level. Okay, this 171 and 10. This was my goal. And then I got puts. I was up like, you know 70% my different count. And then here by 11 o'clock here it says um, long only on 7110 difference, or mega catch. So it says once get to 7110, and then it acts as a like support or defense, or if you want to catch mega catch, then wait for like once like hits 7075 or 7050. So I'm gonna mark these levels too, right, by 11 o'clock. Let's say, let's first mark these ones here. 75, where is 75? Right, 75 and 70. Okay, so we're gonna we mark these levels. Let's go to 11 o'clock. Where is 11? 11 o'clock, where the hell are you? 11. Okay, here. So this is 11 o'clock and you see it's dip. Now it says long on 7, if it like pumps above and then acts as support, or long from these levels, right? So no, yeah, so we already dip a lot, so we short it from here and then got all the way here. Let's see, second, and around 11, exact 11, another update came. Let's see, there is something I caught my eyes. So it says primary reversal zone is like from here it's gonna reverse pocket bull bullpen. This is restore only if reclaims with volume. So here it says 7110 by 11. It says if it get to 7110, like this level, okay, basically backed inside in the opening range high. Okay, I mean opening in, range low. Here, where was that? Here. So 7110, then we're gonna get to near term, but near term bias is beer targeting 7110. Okay, not 7110, like 7100, potentially like this. Bulls reversal probability at mega catch, like from here these are mega catch. Okay, so basically saying above here long, as long as it stays, it's gonna dip these levels, right? So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, you see it couldn't cross these levels, right? So we still need to hit these levels, so you can short it back up about this range, like around this range. Okay, short target downside, like, because under we are under view up as well, right? See, so this level hit. What time is it right now? It's like 1 o'clock, but this is, what time is this? This is 11. Okay, so after like 2 hours, let's go to 12. So by 12:30, let's move forward a little bit. This one, okay, let's move forward. So I'm gonna explain couple stuff here. Let's go to 12:30. Oh, 12:26, sorry, 12:26. So 12:26, but this update came way earlier. I took a screenshot by 12:26, so you probably got this around this range. Okay, so it says here, it says lose 70-90, and then it's gonna get hold on. So basically it's giving all the way to 65. Okay, so it says lose 79, and I was giving this another feature I added is give you also which contract you should get. It says 7085 or 7080 put ODT, and so it says as long as it stays here, stop loss is stop 97. So as long as it stays at like you can enter right now, like you can enter, this is your stop loss and this the target is here. Oh my gosh, let me show you here. The target was 65, all the way 65, okay, 80 and then 70 and then 65, okay. So 65, let's go to 65 right here. Let's say you get 65 all the way here, okay. Like from here all the way right here. So this is your stop loss and then this is your target. See, it hit, okay. And what time is right now? Is around 1:20. You see this update came, what time this update came? This update came 12:30, like 1 hour earlier, okay. You see the target is stop loss didn't even hit. It got close but didn't hit, like crazy, right? So I got here and look at this, okay. Also it explains everything here, like everything was explained here. You can pause it, read it, and then you can, or you can post in ChatGPT. By 1 o'clock we got another update, okay, basically when target hit. So this another update, here, 12:30, 12:55, so way right around this range. What it says here, it says lose 85 and then now the stop loss changed to 92, okay. It's changed to 92 right here. This is stop loss. Let's move this to 92 right here, so now stop loss changed to here, and then same thing, 1 o'clock again update, same thing basically. So these were my positions, and let's go to here, 131. By 124 it flip, okay. It flip, not flip like there was not like bearish vibe anymore, but it was saying here 76 defense with 2 candle rejection. So it says 78 70 68, where is that? So basically saying it's gonna get all the way to 75, okay, back by what time? 1:30, right? So basically a V shape again, 1:30. You see this is around 1:30, okay. 125 here, like you can 123 this. So it says from here it's gonna make back to 70, like this, a V shape. So you could just get another call from here and pump here. Here it says all the way to 75. Where is 75? Let's go to 75, like here, but too small. But let's say like here, because our stop loss was here like before, right? So there is a reason they had a stop loss here. There has to be something at this level. Yeah, you see, got hit, and then if you want it to long from here. Now what time is it? 1:30, and what time is it? By 1:50 it hit, okay. Now let's see, let's move this one, okay. By 3:38, I got this way earlier. I think it was around 3:40. I mean 3:30, 3:35. I don't know, but I saw it around this range. It says uh, corridor with beer short term lean below negative gamma. So it was saying it's gonna um, pin corridor, banner line to close spot, king ceiling, overhang stack. So basically a natural pin corridor with bear short term lean. So basically saying this gonna like short in a long in a short term is like leaning bearish. Now if you understand this, I didn't take screenshot of like there was underneath there was explanation like what to look, what to not look. I don't know. So I didn't play a last minute dump to be honest, because I played 3 or 4 positions and like I was happy with my returns. But here basically saying like it's gonna, you know, like gonna dump. And now you have to understand, like I explained this. This is VWAP, okay? This VWAP always when it gets there and then it rejects, okay? Always is like this. Or if it pumps and then gets there, then it rejects. As long as it's if it doesn't reject and it breaks, then it's gonna dump. So now you need to watch it, the rejection. If it rejects from here, then gonna dump. If it doesn't reject, then it's gonna pump. Okay, if you wanna play it. Now watch. Oh, so we need to go around 3, right? This is 3:30. We are still at we're still at 2 o'clock, right? And yeah, 2 o'clock. What time is it? 2 o'clock. Yeah. Let's go to 3 o'clock. Let's go to 3. Where are the 3? Where are the 3? 3:30. Okay, this pump you see here. Now we are 3. 3:30. 3:30. 3:30. Where are the 3:30? Where the hell are you? 3:30. Okay, it's getting closer to the view. So we are 3:30. Okay, we are 3:30. Now we gonna watch if it's gonna reject or if it's gonna break. Okay, you see it's rejecting. All right, boom, crazy rejection. Now you can show it from here. Okay, also it says I don't know, I cannot see it. I think it was mentioning somewhere 95. What is this? We are below. Okay, now we need to you can show it from here last minute. And again, you remember in the morning this was like big level, like it was saying it was growing. Like let me show you in the morning. Here it says here, no sorry, not this one. Here where was that? Look, you see here this one, and also here it mentioned somewhere what the hell are your floor holds. Deep catch magnet is building, okay, at this one. This level is still didn't hit, okay, we didn't hit. So I forgot about this, to be honest. I forgot about this level. So if I knew it, I would have like showed it from here and then target this last minute play. But when I played all these other levels, I made my money and I was happy. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna, you know, gonna be greedy. But if I didn't remember, I forgot about this level. So yeah, now watch. You see, exactly hit this level, like pinpoint. You see, level hit and then start bounce. See, like big bounce. What time is it? Yeah. Yep. You see, so it says here, deep catch magnet building, right? It was way early. Any like before anyone even mentioned, before any Geeks, you can watch Skylate, you can watch ITM Banks, you can watch any of these gigs provided. Never one, not, none of them mention that this is deep magnet. This level is gonna be deep catch magnet. None of them mention. So yeah, this is how it played. And you cannot just rely only on dealers, right? You can just like I mentioned about this opening range high, how opening range high low works, and how this VWAP works, all this stuff. You can combine these things, and then you will have like a best entry or best trade. You're not gonna lose. This 1 week, almost uh, 11 days. No, not sorry, not 11 days. Like almost 9 days. I've been trading, just combining these things with my things. I never take a single loss on any trade. All my trades are going well. Just you guys need to understand this thing. Don't relay all this bullshit algo, this bullshit, uh, you know, giving you bullshit uh, hopes that saying, oh, I have this system, I have this. They are bullshit. They are just waiting for your membership. Don't pay nobody. Just start learning, do your own thing. And these guys never gonna show you the real uh, trading, how to trade. If you learn, then you're gonna leave them. If you leave them, they're not gonna make money. If they're not gonna make money, they're obviously not gonna show you how to learn the market, how to trade. Or they're just gonna give you like some basic things, so keep you guys inside and keep you guys to pay them. 3 days they've been quiet, okay, taking L's. All of a sudden, one target hit, and then oh, we are genius. No, you're not genius. Uh, you are like a leech sucking blood from these innocent traders.